Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get a custom alarm sound on iPhone. And basically, if you want to make any video sound as your alarm or ringtone, it's really easy to do, and I will show you how right now. So for example, we're gonna go to TikTok, and here's some song which I'm gonna save. Basically, I save the video, but you can also search for for example, this song, which is really popular right now. So I'm gonna also save this one. After that, to make a ringtone, you will need to separate video from a sound. So you will need to go to the App Store and download an app called Ringtone Maker. So here I am on the App Store. You're gonna search for Ringtone Maker, and now you're gonna scroll down to see this application, this violet one, and you're gonna open it. So I uploaded here one file, but I'm gonna do that once again. So after that, you're gonna click on plus and import from videos. So let's choose this one, click on done. And here is your file. Now click on info. We're gonna now click on info button and click on make ringtone. And after that, you're gonna need to copy this to GarageBand. So click on that. And now you're gonna click on the top arrow right here and click on my songs. And after that, you click this like this. Just hold it on the video. Click on share, click on ringtone, and here is your ringtone. So you're gonna click export. You can also name it if you want it. So that's it. Now you're gonna go to your alarm, to your clock, and here you're gonna click on edit at the top left corner. You're gonna click on the alarm you want to change, and where it says sound, you're gonna click it right there. And here you can see the two ringtones I added. So let's choose the one we added. So basically, from the radar, you can change it to the feature song or any song you like, and after that you're gonna click done and save. So that's basically it, guys. That's simple as that. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Bye.